Hi, this is Sara Levin, the Artful Inker. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I'm here to show you how to make this favor, or RAK, using the Flowers for Every Season suite. Now this piece does have a little trapdoor so that your recipient doesn't have to rip the whole thing apart to get to the goodies inside. Let me set this aside and we'll get to the creating. To make this RAK or favor, you're going to need 2 pieces of Just Jade, 2 by 4 1/4. Just Jade is one of the new Stampin' Up! In colors. And you're going to take your scallop tag topper punch and punch both pieces at the top. And then use the new jar punch all the way. And I guess I should show you this mark on my punch. It's about right here, which is the halfway mark across here. If you like, you can mark this side as well. And when you slide it in, you can use that mark to see if you've got your piece in there so that it's centered when that matters for you. So I'm going to give this a squeeze and punch out my jar, and then I have my tag ready. On the second piece, I've already done the scallop tab topper, and I've added a piece of the Flowers for Every Season designer paper. The Flowers for Every Season designer paper comes in a 6 by 6 paper stack, and there are 12 different double-sided designs and 4 of each of those double-sided sheets for 48 sheets in the pack. So let's go ahead and pop this in here as well and punch out this jar. Give it a good squeeze. And then we have some of these mason jar shaker dome. I think these are so cute, and of course I was pleased to see that they already have adhesive on both sides of the dome. So we're going to slide the dome in here on this top piece. Make sure it's good and seated in there, everything's flat. And then we'll pull this back piece off. Now before I slide this on, I want to add a little adhesive at the top and a little bit down here at the bottom. And then here's the only tricky part, is making sure that you're lined up with everything. Do not press it down until you're lined up. It is a little grabby, but we need to make sure the top is lined up on here. Okay, so there we go. And then I'm just going to work down both sides. Okay. Now, let me put my punches out of the way over here and move this scrap out of the way. So next we need to fill this, and I've got another one of these domes already filled with some Skittles. And if I didn't mention, these domes come in a 10 pack. So next I've got some strips here, and I'm going to add adhesive on the side and bottom. And we're going to lay this right here at the very bottom. And then this one, we're just adding adhesive on the sides. And we're going to do that right there. Let's let that guy lay down. Now I've got another piece of Just Jade and my detail trio punch, and I'm going to round the corners. Oh, there we go. Didn't hear it punch. And then up at the top, let's see if I can get this centered more or less. I'm going to add a little hole. And where's my ribbon? So I've got the trio pack of Flowers for Every Season ribbon. And we're going to put just a little piece of the white faux linen ribbon in this little hole. I've got it doubled over. And let's grab my scissors and give that a cut. And let's see, here are my mini glue dots. And we just hold that together with the glue dot. And I'm going to add another little glue dot in this fold. Now all of these products, except my ribbon scissors, are available in my Stampin' Up! Store. Let's slide this down in here. Yep, looks like I've got one too many Skittle. And this piece just slides right under, oops, right in here. So you don't have to tear the whole thing apart to get in. Give these a little shake. And then we're going to add some of this gingham ribbon in Just Jade here at the top. And give it another little angle cut. Angle cuts are pretty, and they keep things from fraying or raveling. And again, just going to use a couple glue dots in here. If you've got a mini stapler, you could use that if you prefer the look. And let's see, match the ribbon ends up and give that a bit of a squeeze. And let's take all of this out of here so that you can see what's going on. So here is our Flowers for Every Season, RAK or Favor. It's a great little thing to drop in your purse and take along when you're out to see friends. It's been a while since most of us have been able to do that, and it might be nice to take a little treat along with you. This was Sara Levin, the Artful Inker of theartfulinker.com. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell if you'd like to be notified the next time I upload a video. And have a great day. Thanks for stopping in. Bye.